Today we will build a full stack habit tracker application using the latest version of Next.js and just your local storage. But basically what we have is the ability to create, update, delete, and read any habits that we want to keep track of. So the way it works is you will create a new habit by clicking on the new habit button. From here we have a model that will pop up with a glass tint background, if you will. And we have a model that has a title that reads add new habit, and we just have a input and the ability to save. So we'll create the habit of exercising and we'll click save habit. We get a little notification from Sonar that states that we've created a new habit. And you should have also noticed that there was a loading animation while the habit was being created just to improve the user experience. So now that we have the habit created, it is now in the weekly table view. Here we have the ability to just update the habit by day. So let's just say we wanted to start exercising and we did it on Monday, Tuesday. We haven't did it today. Well, we'll say that we did it this morning. So now we're able to track that as of this week, we have exercised on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and I just have a test listed here. So we'll remove tests by clicking on delete, which will be the D within the CRUD functionality. And we just completed the C for creating. As you can see, once we click on the trash can icon, the row immediately deletes, and now we're just down to one habit that we're tracking. We can toggle between views by clicking on the tab on hover. You can see that we now have the list view that is highlighted to indicate that we're hovering over it. If we click on it, we go to a different view. On this view, we can see that we've completed exercises 43% of the week, and we have the days highlighted or indicated right here. This is being managed by state management with local storage, so that as we change views or change routes, we still have the same information that's carrying over from page to page. On this view, we have the name of the habit and just a little water emoji as an indicator. This status bar indicates the amount of time or how quick or how much of the habit we've completed in a 7-day period. So far we've completed 43%. If we click on this habit, the name, we have a individual habit page, but on this view, we have the monthly view. And we can see the monthly details for the exercise and habit. So far, we can see that we've completed 3 of 30 days, which is 10%. And I have some conditional rendering that just gives a little message to say, hey, let's bounce back next month, or let's keep going, or great job, just depending upon how many times we've completed that habit. So again, this is just a quick, simple CRUD project. And on this view and on the prior view as well, we have the ability to toggle between months. So as you can see, we haven't done anything in May and we didn't track anything in the month of March. But let's go back and let's add something for the month of March. And we'll go to the weekly view and we'll just change the calendar view by week. So right now we're on the week of April 6th, March 30th. So I'll just add a few updates to the habit tracker to indicate that we exercise on these 4 days. And if I refresh the screen, you see that it is now showing in the month of March that we have 4 days that we exercised out of 31. And we're just saying that, hey, let's continue to bounce back. But let's add a few more to change the rendering of the message, just to show you what it looks like. Solid start. Let's keep going because we've completed 14 of 31, 45%. So if you're looking to just get some practice with building a more modern UI and also some JavaScript with conditional rendering, building a full stack project, not requiring a database, you're just using local storage, this is a great video for you.